So hello guys, I hope all are doing well, and in this video I'll teach you about how do you use the open command. Open command. So in Mac OS and all, you can directly use this open command as it is, but in Linux you need to use xdg open. What is this? What is it doing? What can it does? Like it's nothing but it will open everything, not in the terminal. It will open in the GUI format. Let me say that I don't have any PDF or something in PDF or file in this directory. Let me shift to desktop directory, and there is one file, that is ls command.txt. Let's try to open it. So we use xdg open ls command, so it will open in the GUI format. That is one use of using open command. Let's go back, and let's say I need to go inside a document folder. You can also do like I need to see document folder in the graphical user interface. Let's say xdg and open document. It will open in the graphical format instead of opening in the GUI. So the other thing it can do is that see, you are in the what home directory. Let me do pwd. You are in the home directory, but you need to do something in the home directory in what in the graphical user. Like you don't need to type anything. You need to open some folder or create some folder in the this particular current directory, but you need to use a graphical user interface. Also that you can also that you can for that you can use xdg open, and you can use star and pwd. That will also open the current directory in the graphical format. So the next use of using this xdg open, that will be xdg open https slash double slash www.google.com. This will open the google.com in the what do you call in the Chrome or something like that, Chrome or Firefox. This is a use of xdg. So you can also use open command. The thing is sometimes this open command does not work, sometimes it does not work. So the safer side using open is that using xdg. Okay, so that is what the use of xdg and xdg open command. And thank you for watching. Bye.